Have you ever thought about living in Mico, Texas, specifically Dancing Bear Ranch? Well, welcome to my newest listing here at 663 PR 1712. This is a 3-bed, 2.5 bath with a flex. It could be an office, a study, whatever you'd like it to be. It's sitting on 2.08 acres and it's a little over 2,400 square feet, 2,428 to be exact. I can't wait to show you inside. I can't wait to show you the backyard. So let's get after it. I know that you guys have seen the backyard throughout the video, right? But I just didn't want to let this video end without doing it just a little bit more justice. It's so serene back here, right? I just poured myself up a glass of this refreshing lemonade. You could literally put a fire pit here. Imagine hosting, right? Obviously we're about to get through the summer, but when fall rolls around and the cooler months enter Texas, you have the fireplace, TV, college football on. You've got all your family and friends over. It's quiet out here. My name is Jose Buentello with eXp Realty. If you'd like any more information or a private showing, please reach out to us. Have a good one.